Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.